In this episode of What's Up with Halloween in 2024, we're diving into the fresh and exciting trends shaping this year's celebrations. And trust me, there are so many new trends to explore that we can't fit them all into a single video. One big trend that's not often talked about but is totally worth mentioning is the rise of interactive experiences Halloween. Interactive experiences Halloween, Haunted House Tour. The first aspect of interactive experiences Halloween is all about Haunted House Tour. These tours have evolved into a fully immersive and interactive experience. In 2024, these haunted houses have become interactive adventures where you're part of the story. Some haunted house tours now integrate live actors who interact directly with the visitors, making you feel like you've stepped into a horror movie. So, for those who want more than just a passive thrill, these haunted house tours are perfect, immersive Halloween escape rooms. Another exciting part of interactive experiences Halloween is the boom of immersive Halloween escape rooms. If you're unfamiliar with escape rooms, they're essentially puzzle-based adventures where you and a group of friends are locked in a room, and you have to solve a series of clues to escape before time runs out. Halloween has given this trend a darker, more terrifying twist. If you're a fan of problem-solving and love a good scare, these immersive escape rooms are an absolute must-try for Halloween this year. Special announcement: over at www.deroseentertainmentstore.com, we are excited to offer our Halloween Jack-o'-lantern unisex heavy cotton tee for just $23.70. This t-shirt is perfect for showing off your spooky spirit this Halloween season. Whether you're heading to a haunted house, a Halloween party, or just want to get into the festive mood, this tee will have you looking stylish and ready for all the tricks and treats. Don't forget to check the description box just below this video. Pop culture icons trend: Joker and Beetlejuice costumes. Now, let's shift gears a bit and talk about another massive trend for Halloween 2024, pop culture icons costumes. This year, two characters in particular are making a huge splash: Joker and Beetlejuice. Let's dive into what each of these iconic characters represents in relation to Halloween. Joker. When it comes to Halloween costumes, Joker is always a classic choice, but in 2024, he's back with even more intensity. The Joker represents chaos, unpredictability, and the darker sides of human nature, all themes that resonate deeply with Halloween. The character embodies a villain who is terrifying because he doesn't operate by any rules. He's not driven by a clear motive like most villains. Instead, his love for chaos is what makes him so chilling. For Halloween, dressing as the Joker lets people tap into this sense of unpredictability and menace. The costume is bold and confrontational. Beetlejuice. Now, let's talk about Beetlejuice, another pop culture icon that's making a huge return for Halloween 2024. Beetlejuice is very different from the Joker, but he's no less iconic. He represents a blend of humor, horror, and the bizarre three things that are central to Halloween. What makes Beetlejuice such a great choice for a Halloween costume is his playful yet creepy nature. He's not the typical horror villain. Instead, he exists somewhere between the living and the dead. Another major trend for Halloween in 2024 is Gothic-themed decorations. Gothic decor has always held a special place in Halloween celebrations, but this year, it's bigger and more elaborate than ever. The Gothic genre is synonymous with dark, moody, and often dramatic imagery. There's something timeless about the Gothic style. It's elegant yet eerie, sophisticated yet sinister. So, those are some of the biggest trends in Halloween 2024. From the intense thrills of haunted house tour and immersive Halloween escape rooms, to the bold, chaotic energy of Joker and the playful yet creepy charm of Beetlejuice. And let's not forget about Gothic decor, which is all about finding beauty in darkness. There's an elegance to the decay, and a fascination with the mysterious and the unknown. It's perfect for Halloween because it blends fear with sophistication.